Hello, welcome once again to Ace of North online math class. In this video, we are going to discuss the quadratic formula of solving quadratic equations. Kindly hit the red button to subscribe to my channel. It gives you notification whenever a new video is out. So in the last episode of quadratic equation, we discussed the completing square method. And in that completing square method, we were able to derive a formula which is known as quadratic formula. And this formula is very, very essential in the solution of a quadratic equations. So that is what we are going to discuss today. We want to use that formula to solve this given quadratic equation. And the formula is given by... Okay, so this is the formula that x is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. When there is no number standing before this x squared, you know that the coefficient is 1. But this time around, we have a number standing there. So it means that our a is just 2, the coefficient here. My b is 7, and my c is just 6. So the coefficient of x squared is a, that of x is b, and the constant will give us c. Okay. So we've got the values for a, b, and c, and these values are what we are going to plug in this quadratic formula to get the solution to the quadratic equation. So I'll write that my x is equal to minus b, my b is 7, so I'll write minus 7 plus or minus square root of b squared, b is 7, I'll write 7 squared minus 4 times a, my a is 2, times c, my c is 6, all over 2a, 2 times a, my a is 2. So x will give me minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared is 49. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, and minus 8 times 6 will give us minus 48. All over 2 times 2 is 4. We continue from here. So x equals minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 48 is just 1 all over 4. So x will give us minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 1 is 1 all over 4. So we take plus first after we take a minus. So you write either x is equal to minus 7 plus 1 all over 4. And minus 7 plus 1 will give us minus 6 all over 4. This will give us minus 1.5, because 6 over 4 will give us minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1.5, or minus one whole number 1 over 2. Then or we take minus x equals minus 7 minus 1, I'm taking minus now, all over 4. And the minus 7 minus 1 will give us minus 8 all over 4. If I divide minus 8 by 4, I will have a minus 2. So therefore, x is equal to minus 1.5 or minus 2. These are the values that will satisfy these given quadratic equations. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly hit the red button to subscribe to my channel. It gives you notification whenever a new video is out. Thank you.